is that if you go into the Python console, all of the libraries available in the libs folder is also available here if you want to do testing. So again, this recording is primarily aimed at people who want to make and break stuff. And so you can, for example, import IFC OpenShell over there. You can import FCL for clash detection. You can import BCF plugin for BCF analysis. And I can, for example, load a file like that, and I can get results out of it. So it's nice and easy. You don't need to install Python and compile IFC OpenShell and do that. It's all already set up for you, and it's got auto completion as well. So for example, if I get my project over there, I can tab and I can say, okay, it has a name. You know, what other properties does it have? It has a global ID. You know, it has a owner history, which is empty.